2022 Harris 230 Cruiser sterling gray with blackout package. Tri-Toon. Comes with bimini top. 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke with hydraulic steering. Ski tow bar. Deep reaching telescoping ladder. Extended deck for easy on off. Quick release fender system. Side gate. Docking lights. Pop-up cleats. Forward gate. It's your Tri-Toon with lifting shrakes and underskin liner. We'll jump inside the boat to take a look. Starting inside the boat, got your forward bench seats, seaweed floor, dual captain's chairs, acrylic table with 4 cup holders and 4 spots for stemware, the CWDH floor plan, the center walkthrough towards the back, USB ports at pretty much every seat. Capacity is for 13 people. Simrad, tilt steering, Clarion stereo, movable cup holders, table in lieu of the changing room. There is the snapless cover. Nice family Tri-Toon.